If Opera is showing a components update error, don't worry. There are a few safe fixes you can try before thinking about anything drastic. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get Opera components updating again without uninstalling your browser or losing your personal data. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get started. First, look at the top of your browser window near the address bar and find the VPN badge. If Opera VPN is turned on, click that badge and toggle it off. Sometimes the VPN can interfere with Opera's internal update process, especially when the browser is trying to refresh its built-in components. Once the VPN is off, give it a moment, then move on to the next step. Now type Opera style components into the address bar and press enter. This opens Opera's internal components page, where the browser checks and updates the pieces it needs to function properly. On this page, you'll see a list of different components with update buttons beside them. Go ahead and click the update buttons again. If the components were stuck before, turning off the VPN may be enough to let them update normally. Wait for the process to complete and see if the error clears. If the problem is still there, the next fix is to use Opera's built-in recovery option. Open the main Opera menu by clicking the O logo in the top left corner of the browser. From the menu, choose Update and Recovery. This section is designed to help with browser issues, updates, and repair options. Under the Recovery section, click Recover. When Opera asks how you want to proceed, select Keep My Data and only reset Opera settings. This is the important option because it preserves your browsing history, bookmarks, and other personal data while resetting the settings that may be causing the component update loop. Let Opera finish the recovery process, then reopen the browser and check Opera/components again. In many cases, this alone fixes the update error. If Opera components are still failing after recovery, do not uninstall the browser. Instead, the next step is to download the full standalone installer from the official Opera FTP server. This is a much better repair method because it can replace damaged browser files and repair underlying components without removing your personalized data. Once the installer is downloaded, right-click the file and run it as an administrator. Running it with admin privileges helps ensure the repair process completes properly and can overwrite broken internal files. After the installer finishes, restart Opera and go back to Opera components one more time. Try the update buttons again and check whether the error is gone. In most cases, one of these steps will get Opera working normally again. So to quickly recap, first, turn off the VPN badge near the address bar, then visit Opera Our Components and retry the updates. Next, use Opera's Update on a Recovery menu and choose Recover with Keep My Data and only reset Opera settings. And finally, if needed, repair Opera using the full standalone installer from the official FTP server instead of uninstalling. If this video helped you fix the Opera Components update error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more browser troubleshooting guides, app fixes, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.